Hello everyone and welcome to my channel HTML Professor. So today we are typing the 13th program. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. Now let us type the program. We'll start with HTML tag. The new thing in this program is about marquee direction and background color and VSPACE. So let us check. Check the head tag, title tag. It displays the title. Now we'll have to end the title tag. We'll have to end the head tag. I will start the body tag. Marquee direction. They specify the direction in which marquee is scrolled. I will give up. I will end the marquee tag. Once again we will give marquee direction. This time we will give down. Give the VSpace. VSpace attribute is used to specify the number of white space on bottom and top. We will give 100 with BG color. We will give green. Now we will end the marquee tag. And similarly body tag and HTML tag. So now let us save it with the extension HTML, and in all files. So now let us check the output.